What are sales funnels and why are they so effective in an online business strategy for your company? In this video, this is Luca Papa, founder of Digital Coach, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna introduce you to this amazing process that can change radically the results for your online revenues, online sales. So a sales funnel is a process in which you have to attract, get interested, then engage, and finally convert a lead that has to become a customer at the end. So it's like a journey that you design in order to create a progression in the relation between a potential customer and your company. What happens in every sales funnel is that sales funnels are more important if you have a business model in which you are using the power of online, of digital technology, obviously. But they were important also in the previous offline world. What happens is that in the new digital world, they are even more important than before because they are faster than offline, and they are more effective through the help of the online marketing, online lead generation, and online automations. And so that means that they can help you scale up your revenues much faster than in the offline world. Let's go with an example. If you are an insurance and you want to get new customers, what you do is, first of all, you ask for help to your online marketing, or you organize an online marketing activity. What does it mean is that you're gonna advertise online in different channels: YouTube, Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on, some of your proposals in order to get new leads. New leads means potential customers that will become customers if something effective happens starting from that point. What has to happen? First of all, once you get new contacts, you have to get in contact with them. So that means that you want somebody to call them. But you want at the same time also have a presence in their, to be present in their life, even if they don't speak with you. That means that you want them to see your advertising banners online. You want them to receive your emails. At the same time, you want them to receive a call from one of your sales representatives. And after that call, you want to move further in the relation with them in order to engage them in your product and services. That means that you want to nurture them with the right kind of contents, able to explain them what are the difference between you and your competitors and why you are so special for them and why you can solve their problems and help them to achieve their goals. In order to doing this, you need a marketing strategy, you need a copywriting strategy, because in advertising online, in the email that you send them, you need a specific copywriting and that has to be effective for your customer. At the same time, you need also good people, well trained when they talk with your customers. And during this process, you need also an effective strategy, an effectively designed strategy, through which at the end you have to conquer 1 minute of your customer's attention, then you have to conquer like 10 minutes, then you have to conquer 1 hour, as long as you conquer, you get that customers at the end, but they don't give you their time, their attention, and their money just in one step. You need to build an effective process for them to be, to be engaged enough with you to buy from you. So what happens is that in a sales process, after the marketing strategy, you also need a copywriting strategy, as I told you. But you need also to have how can I say, a script strategy. I mean, each interaction between your sales representatives and your customers has to follow some sales script rules. And in order to be effective, once you have your customer in a telephone call or in a video call, you also need to choose the right payment systems to make purchase easy and to finance also purchase sometimes. And you need also a closing strategy, a strategy through which you can close the customers with a, how can I say, a commitment with you, and you can close them online without signing a physical contract and without meeting them. Once you do all these steps in a correct sales funnel strategy, your revenues will boost, will explode. That's what happens when you change from a no model to a new sales funnel. Now, if you want to know more about this subject, sales and marketing funnels, and you have the desire to multiply, to scale up your revenues, you can ask us for a free consultation here, down somewhere. And you can even ask us for a training program or some training resource in order to help you to understand better the subject, and then to evaluate maybe a coaching program through which we can help you on a weekly basis to improve your sales through marketing and sales funnels. Luca Papa, Digital Coach, hope to see you in the future. Bye bye.